ॐ नित्यानन्देश्वर परमशिवसमारम्भाम् नित्यानन्देश्वरि पराशक्तिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। I welcome all of you with my love and respect. I welcome all the living and practicing Hindus from all over the world. I welcome all the Sarvanyapeta Kartas, Yajamans, Manifestors, Sarvaparityahis, Sri Mahans, Mahans, Kotari, Tanedars, Kailasas, ministers, ambassadors, diplomats, consuls and supporters, Paramashivaganas, Paramashivoham, 610 participants. I welcome all of you with my love and respect. First, our offerings and devotion to Ganapati.
Nityanandam. On the fourth day of the Ganesha Chaturthi Brahmotsavam, Sri Mahaganapati, Ananda Ganesha, with 8 hands and 8 ayudhas, in the Adi Kailasa Nityananda Peetham, is gracing in Sarvalankara, being on the Siddhar Peetham. We now offer our worship at the divine feet of Sri Mahaganapati and His Divine Holiness Swamiji. Namaste Vighnarajaya Bhaktanam Vignaharine Abhaktanam Visheshena Vignakartre Namo Namaha. Om Dhurasi Dhurvadhurvantan Dhurvatanyo Osman Dhurvatitan Vayam Dhurvamasman Devanamasisastitam Papritamam Yuktatamam Vanhitamam Devahutamam Akritamasi Havirdhanam Trigam Hasvamahvar Mitratyatva Chaksha Prekshema Bherma Samviktha Matvahi Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Shri Mahaganapataye Namaha. Ananda Ganeshaya Namaha. Dhupamagrapayami. Om Uddipyasvajata Vedopagdhan Nirritim Mama Pashugischamahyama Vahajivanancha Disho Disha Mano Higumsi Jata Vedokkamashvam Purusham Jagate Abhibhradagna Agahi Shriyama Paripataya. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Shri Ananda Ganeshaya Namaha. Ekaharati Vam Sandarshayami. Om Madhuvatartayate Madhuksharanti Sindhavaha Madhvirnaktanmoshadhihi Madhunaktamutoshadi Madhumatparthivagam Rajaha Madhudyaurattunapita Madhumanno Vanaspatir Madhumagam Astu Suryaha Madhvirgavo Bhavantunaha Madhu Madhu Madhu. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Shri Mahaganapataye Namaha. Ananda Ganeshaya Namaha. Nana Vidhani Naivedyani Nivedayami. Om Sarvasyaptyai Sarvasyajityai Sarvameva Tena Apnoti Sarvanjayati. Om Namo Vratapataye Namo Ganapataye Namah Pramathapataye Namaste Stulambodaraye Ikadantaya Vighna Vinashine Shivasutaya Varadamurtaye Namaha. Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Shri Mahaganapataye Namaha. Shri Ananda Ganeshaya Namo Namaha. Sarvadeva Devi Swarupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha. Sarvopachara Pujarthe Sarvaparadhakshamapanaarthe Samastamangala Praptyarthe Ananda Karpura Nirajanam Sandarshayami. रक्षान् धारयामि।
Paramashiva's direct message from Kailasa. Conscious intention of you is the highest truth and reality, the core blueprint of your existence. So, conscious intention is only the living identity of you as per Kailasa. Now, I tell you, this is the most healing, sweetest good news message I received from Paramashiva. And also this whole message was mapped into me and expressed by the grace of Ganapati. Paramashiva just downloaded it as a pure message. Ganapati manifested it in multi levels, mapped it. Listen. I'll try to expand on this one truth. This truth forms the core basis of our physical reality, mental reality, emotional reality, spiritual reality, economic policies, everything. So listen. See, your feet and face, both are very much part of you. But you feel you are more alive in your cheeks, in your tongue, than in your feet. Because the degree of existence, the percentage of your manifestation, psychologically, emotionally differs. Listen. Your feet, your face, your eyes, your tongue, everything is part of you. But you always feel you exist more in your cheeks, in your eyes, than in your feet. There are various reasons. Let's not bother about the reasons. Understand the example. Exactly same way, you exist more in your conscious intention than your mood swings, ups, downs, hormones, chemicals, imbalances, reactions of those imbalances. So listen, I'll put it in more precise way. You all know how you look in your waking state by seeing the mirror. Same way, try to do this simple analysis. Remember at least last 3-4 times you dreamt about you. Of course, in any dream you exist. So, try to visualize, remember, recall how you looked for yourself in your dream state. How you remembered you, how you felt you, how the size, shape, how you feel you exist in your dream state. That is the blueprint of you in your dream state. Listen. The blueprint of you in your waking state, you all know. You can just see in the mirror and know how you look. Try to recollect, remember how you look or you feel about you in your dream state. That is your photograph in your dream state. Listen now, this is the important truth. In your, see, when you go to dream, how you look, you can remember, recall. When you are in waking state, how you are, you can see in the mirror. In reality, Turyatita, how you will be is your conscious intention. Listen. How consciously you want to be, that is the way you exist in Turyatita, the highest reality of cosmos. If I have to put it in a very jovial way, almost 90% of you repent about how you look in your passport size photo. Almost 100% of you even vomit when you see your Aadhaar card ID. How you look in your Aadhaar card. Listen. How you look and how you feel your blueprint in various states differs. How you will look in Kailasa is your intention, your conscious intention, your Satya Sankalpa is the way you look in Kailasa. Listen. Demarcations of past, present, future does not have impact on your conscious intention. Because of that, anything you think other than you, anything you think other than you, your conscious intention, loses its power over you in Kailasa. If you want a more elaborate explanation, for example, in reality, you have a huge pot belly, can't move the body, too heavy. If you decide, understanding this fundamental principle, that demarcations of the past, present, future, for example, you think the present condition of your body is either rogic, unhealthy, or bogic, very luxurious and destroying, but not yogic. Maybe if you become sincere, in the future you may have yogic. These are all the thought currents usually run in your mind. Now the statement I am making, please understand, if you decide consciously, you should have a yogic body, well built, 6-pack or 8-pack or muscled and fully flexible and energetic yogic body. If you create that Satya Sankalpa intention, that becomes your existence in Turyatita, and the influence of Turyatita, that highest state, Paramashiva state, in your present condition, when that starts influencing your present conditions, the demarcation of the past, present, future will just become a faded delusion. I can say faded delusory memory. You will start manifesting more and more your pure Satya Sankalpa, Shiva Sankalpa. That is why in puja we say, Mama Sankalpam Shiva Sankalpamastu. My Sankalpa, let it become Shiva Sankalpa. Listen. What I am teaching now, revealing now, has multiple amazing implications, especially for the disciples who already feel a deep trust on me. See, whenever you feel a deep trust on me, you don't need to waste the number of lives I wasted in struggle, sadhana, tapas, trial and error, all methods in which I wasted my time, life to find the truth. You don't need to waste. That is what is the beauty of devotion and trust and feeling connection. All types of medicines and do trial and error on me. Which janma I land on the right vaccine, I'll start taking only that. Go, go, go. Blessed are my disciples who don't need to waste your time, life, energy on trial and error. You can straight receive this truth. Listen. Listen. See, I am also bound by the integrity to Paramashiva, Ganapati who manifested it, Paramashiva who blessed it, and the absolute integrity to Kalabhairava. I cannot mix, I cannot change, manipulate anything in these pure truths. Because I have to stand in front of Kalabhairava and prove my integrity. Stand to the integrity to Kalabhairava. Listen carefully. Actually, not only I cannot manipulate this truth, Paramashiva has revealed, I just have to obey and follow these truths even in my economy policies. The implication on the economic policies of Kailasa of this truth is your intention to do Pada Puja or Maheshwara Puja matters. That is what in reality accepted in Kailasa than the number of dollars or money you give. The number of dollars or money you give is just a simple way of we trying to be organized in Kailasa. But that doesn't count in reality, in the cosmos. Whether you give 1 cent, $1, or just one handful of rice and say, this is my intention, my sankalpa. to do Pada Puja. My Sangalpa to offer Maheshwara Puja. With this, I offer this. That's all. Sometimes, if you don't have even the rice, just 3 drops of water and say, consciously I will to offer Maheshwara Puja or Pada Puja or any spiritual offering. And oh Paramashiva, I offer this Satya Sankalpa, my conscious intention, give me the result. You are given the result. Understand? The economic implications of this truth. I am revealing. I am not going to be bothered about its implication. People may say, oh, then everyone will come, everyone will have all the services received from Kailasa, will not pay. That and all is not my responsibility. That is Paramashiva's responsibility. He is responsible, and Mahakala Bhairava, Swarnadarshana Bhairava, Mahabhairava, they are responsible for the economy of the Kailasa. Kubera is responsible. My responsibility is to reveal all the truths as it is and map it and share it with the humanity. That's all. So listen, I cannot manipulate. I am not authorized to manipulate. Maximum I can say suggested donation. Please do this. But in reality, in Kailasa, your intention matters. Demarcations of the past, present, future is delusion. The moment you consciously decide, I am yogic body with absolute health, flexibility, all the best things, and divine, Divya Sarira, immediately that conscious intention photograph is only made as your passport photo in Kailasa. In Kailasa, your passport ID will be your Satya Sankalpa. Understand that? Because in Kailasa, your past, present, future is lesser reality. The demarcations of the past, present, future in the Kala. See, time is a canvas. Past, present, future is just demarcations. This canvas, Kala, on which the past, present, future demarcations exist, is lesser reality than your Satya Sankalpa. So, if you have a doubt, how I will look in Kailasa, how my photo ID will be in Kailasa passport, your conscious intention, Satya Sankalpa, is the way you exist in Kailasa. Listen. Your present body condition may be bogic, rogic. All that does not counter in Kailasa, in reality. Your conscious intention only is considered as the closest to your existence. And one more thing, this is the greatest news. When once you record your conscious intention clearly, definitively to Paramashiva. That's what I call it as either prayer or Satya Sankalpa. If you pray to Paramashiva, oh Paramashiva, this is the body, this is the mind, this is the way I want to exist. Today I offer this as my conscious resolution, Satya Sankalpa to you. Please bless me. This intention becomes a formal way of registering yourself to Kailasa, Paramashiva, and from that day, all the time you rest in unclutching your new identity, Satya Sankalpa, starts breaking, exploding. It starts exploding, manifesting in you, and breaking all your past, present, future, making your past, present, future demarcation irrelevant. Listen, the truth I am trying to convey is very powerful truth. It has multi-level implications. So please internalize very deeply. Your being is like a layer by layer by layer onion. The deepest layer is your conscious intention, Satya Sankalpa. Next layer only is Kala, time, which has the demarcations of the past, present, future. With one example about your body, based on your body, I am explaining this principle physically, presently. Your body is, for example, I am giving unhealthy, almost all the time, either tired or bored or depressed or sick. Please understand. But conscious intention of you is to be yogi. Absolutely powerful, flexible, well built, delicious to live in. Yogic body is your conscious intention. And you need to know, because conscious intention is the highest reality in the cosmos that starts oozing in you deeper and deeper, starts manifesting in you more and more, demolishing the time canvas, Kala, on which past, present, future demarcations exist. By this, you start manifesting your intended reality as reality. Tanme mana Sivasankalpamastu. Let my will, mind, become Shiva's will. Listen. With my prayers to Mahaganapati, blessings of Paramashiva, all my integrity, honesty, absolute integrity to Kalabhairava. I am telling you the truth as it is. If you are already a disciple who developed trust on me and my words, you are blessed. Directly start living it. Your conscious will as a power to destroy the present conditions of you and past conditions of you. Manifest the future as you want. Listen, I cannot lie to you. First thing, I love you, so I cannot lie to you. I get up from my bed and come and sit just because I love you guys. I love to see each one of you. And I enjoy the love you guys carry in your eyes when you see me. It's a very honest relationship. So I cannot lie to you. Above this, I am also bound by Kalabhairava's integrity. Means my integrity to Kalabhairava and my commitment to be integrated to Kalabhairava and responsibility towards Kalabhairava. To be truthful and honest and absolutely right. Integrated. So listen. I cannot mix anything, add anything to manipulate the message of Paramashiva. No, it cannot be. It is not possible. Listen now very carefully. If you make a conscious intention how your body should be, mind should be, you should be. That conscious intention is the reality of you in the highest cosmic space, Kailasa, the state of Turyatita. So, once you make a conscious intention, after that, all the time you rest within you and clutch. That conscious intention starts exploding in you, manifesting itself by destroying the Kala canvas, time canvas on which the past, present, future demarcations exist. So the practical implication of the statement I am trying to make is, if you consciously intend to have the well-built yogic body, even at present or in the past you had a very sick body, that past or present starts melting down due to the power of the conscious intention, and especially when you have a deep feeling connection, trust on my words, the very feeling connection makes your Satya Sankalpa explode like a powerful Paramashiva expansion, makes your conscious intention quickly as a present reality by destroying the past, present, future demarcations in the time, kala. Listen. I'm telling you, your conscious intention is a too powerful resource which you are not using to manifest your life. It is too big, too powerful, too amazing treasury you are having, and you are not feeling empowered about it. It's like you have $1 billion in your bank and you neither know nor feel empowered by it. Poor are those who are not taught the science of consciousness in their life. Criminals are those who deny the science to common mass, knowing the power of this science. Now, actually, this is the most secret, sacred secret. I reveal it to my sons and daughters with whom I feel very close and intimate, very sweet. My kids. Only to them I reveal. Whenever they come to me saying that, oh, Swamiji, I'm feeling a little tired for doing yoga, feeling bored to do Nirahara Samyama, feeling a little low and depressed to do everyday puja yoga, I tell them, listen, your conscious intention, just do conscious intention and know your conscious intention is more powerful than your past patterns, present conditions. Your conscious intention is more real than your past patterns and present conditions. Actually, one of my daughter, she was too heavy, means overweight, having a lot of the constipation problem and other digestion issues, and because of that, all the other side effects. This simple knowledge, this simple truth, I gave it to her. Of course, the one great thing she has is amazing trust on me. That's it. She lost 20 kg, very healthy way. Just in few months, hardly 6 months, less than 6 months. Not much effort. Less than 6 months, healthy way. The whole system recovered. Listen. This is one example I am giving. Even this word 6 months, I am telling very vaguely. I don't think it is 6 months. Surely less than 6 months, maybe 3 months. I can give you thousands of references to the power of consciousness, especially someone is initiated properly and have a deep trust on the Guru from whom you receive the initiation. Listen. It is not just only about the body. I'm giving you the example of body because you understand that very easily, very simply. That's all. But in every level, conscious intention to change your mind, to change the situation around, to change your lifestyle, to attract more wealth, to develop your business, to evolve your career in any level. Conscious intention is extremely powerful existential reality than your past patterns, present conditions, future hopelessness. I tell you, when I gave this truth to my daughter, I saw very clearly she decided to consciously intend to be as I expect her, the ideal princess of Kailasa. I could see clearly her very DNA, her very core system, biology, started manifesting her conscious intention as reality. The biology started becoming alive and started breaking all the unnecessary fat accumulated in the body and detoxing herself. Dramatic improvement in the health system, body, mind. I tell you. Not only how you look, how you feel, both together, put together is health. Not just how you look, how you feel, both together only is health. Now she's like a real crown prince. Above all, the confidence she radiates. I told her, hey, you're only 5.4, you should become 6 tall. She said, yes, Swamiji. Because now I know the science. I can just consciously will and Paramashiva will manifest it. I tell you, even once, if you taste this science, Svalpam apyasya dharmasya trayate mahato bayat, even once you taste the power of this science, huge mountain size fears, incompletions, worries melt down. Your fears about your future melts down because now you know how to run your future, manifest your future. Conscious intention makes your past patterns, present conditions, future hopelessness irrelevant. Da papa. உயிர்மையின் உயிர்மெய் கடந்ததன் கடுமையையும் இருப்பின் இகழ்மையையும் எதிர்வரும் ஏய்ப்பு வாழ்க்கையையும் இருப்பில் இலாது செயச்செய்யும் சக்தி உயிர்மையின் உயிர்மெய். கான்ஷியஸ் இன்டென்ஷன் சயின்ஸ், அதுதான் உயிர்மையின் உயிர்மெய்ன்னு சொல்றேன். Understand? I just repeated the essence of today's satsang in Tamil. That's all. So let me now give you more clarity. If you decide, I will consciously have well-built yogic body, immediately even your internal organs starts producing the enzymes, hormones, chemicals needed to restructure your lifestyle and save you from unnecessary addictions. Build yourself consciously. Suddenly you will see thousands of your past patterns are not only irrelevant, they are even forgotten. The real de-addiction is when you even forget you had that addiction in your life. That is real de-addiction. When you even forget you had that addiction in your life is de-addiction. And it is possible. I mean to say, if you decide to have Divya Sarira, immediately even your liver, kidney, lungs, heart, intestine, everything starts becoming more conscious to your intention and starts breaking the past patterns, past negative patterns. The present conditions may be rogic or bogic, and the future hopelessness you have. You see, the hopelessness you carry about the future only keeps you pushed, pegged towards your couch. You become couch potato. Only because of your hopelessness about your future. What will I do? I will get up and try to do gym for 2 days. Third day again I will be back. It's okay. Let me be here itself. I don't know. I want to do. I don't know what to do. This will be destroyed. Listen to the word destroyed by your conscious intention, Satya Sankalpa. Whether in physical level, like a body health, mental level, feeling alive, awakened, conscious level, enlightenment or power manifestation. Use this Satya Sankalpa science conscious intention, signs for power manifestation. Tell yourself, today I make a conscious intention and a deep prayer to Paramashiva. Let me manifest all your powers. Let my DNA, my genes, the body, mind, everything I am carrying as me be restructured, reorganized, remanifested, revived for you to manifest in me, and let you manifest in me, Paramashiva. Make this conscious decision. This is the gift from Paramashiva to you today. This is the gift to you from Paramashiva, from Kailasa directly. Understand? This conscious intention makes, see, your mind always says, oh, I tried this, but many of my patterns did not change. Loose, panni, loose. If you had 1,000 negative patterns before you made this sankalpa, after making this sankalpa, you may have 2-3 patterns, but more than 900, you even forget you had it. Dark patches seen inside the moon during the full moon day, because of its own effulgence, it shows the dark patches. Because of your growth, you are finding still few patterns are left. You finding still few patterns are left is not the benchmark. You have not manifested. Fool. There are 900 patterns you even forgot existed in you. That last remaining few patterns, do little more work on you, that will also become irrelevant. This is the science I teach. This is a sacred secret I teach for the people who are very near and dear one to me. My own sons, my own daughters, who are going to be crown prince of Kailasa. I have already clearly defined all the strategies. Any kid joined in my Gurukul as minor, grew up in my Gurukul, stays back with me as my sannyasi or sannyasini, those kids will be the crown princes, prince and princesses of Kailasa. They are the first class citizens of Kailasa. All the boys or girls, kids who joined Gurukul as minor, grew up with me and stayed with me in Kailasa. Evolves as sannyasis. They will be the crown princes, prince and princesses of Kailasa. They are the first class citizens of Kailasa. The next level is people who joined as minor, grew up but did not maintain the discipline of sannyas, failed, but recovered, did prayaschitta and came out, evolved as sannyasi. They will be the next category. The third will be people who joined as adults and went through the training and became Purna sannyasi. So I have clearly put the benchmarks and standards. Understand? This secret now, which I am teaching to all of you, power of conscious intention, I teach only to my most favorite sons and daughters, because this conscious science can make you do wonders. It's a power by itself. It can strengthen your nervous system. It can break your past negative patterns and present conditions and future hopelessness. It can just make you manifest Paramashiva. The multiple level implication. Multiple level. Implications of this great truth. This great science and its implication on multiple levels in your life can make you manifest Paramashiva. Next 48 hours, let us consciously focus on making Satya Sankalpas, conscious intentions to Paramashiva, how your life should be manifesting. Understand, yesterday I gave the homework. Let's meditate on 25 phases and phases of Paramashiva. PHASES and FACES of Paramashiva. Today I am giving the homework. Next 48 hours, let us work on how consciously you want your body to be, mind to be, being to be.
ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದದ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ನೀಡುವ ದೇವ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಗುರು ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದರಿಗೆ. ಕನಕದಾಸರಿಗೆ ಪುರಂದರದಾಸರಿಗೆ ಕನಕದಾಸರಿಗೆ ಪುರಂದರದಾಸರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ಅಂಕಿತ ನಾಮದ ಬಸವಣ್ಣರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ಅಂಕಿತ ನಾಮದ ಬಸವಣ್ಣರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದರಿಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದದ ಸ್ಥಿತಿ ನೀಡುವ ದೇವ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದರಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತಂ ಗುರು ಶ್ರೀ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದರಿಗೆ ನಿತ್ಯಾನಂದರಿಗೆ. ಪರಮಹಂಸರಿಗೆ ಪರಮಹಂಸರಿಗೆ जय नित्या जय नित्या हर नित्या हर नित्या अद्भुत विग्रह अमराधीश्वर अगणित गुणगण अमृत नित्या आनन्दामृत आश्रित रक्षक आत्मानन्द महेश नित्या इन्दुकलाधर इन्द्रादिप्रिय सुन्दर नित्या जय नित्या जय नित्या हर नित्या हर नित्या உடலோடு உயிர் தந்து உணர்வோடு மொழி தந்து உலகெங்கும் உயிர்ப்பானவன் புவி தந்து மலை தந்து கடல் தந்து நதி தந்து முகிலாகி மழையானவன் நித்யானந்தவயமானவன் நித்யானந்தவயமானவன் முதலாகி முடிவாகி மூச்சாகி பேச்சாகி முத்தமிழ் வித்தானவன் முளையாகி இலையாகி பிஞ்சாகி காயாகி பிரபஞ்ச கனியானவன் நித்யானந்தவயமானவன் நித்யானந்தவயமானவன் மலர் தந்து மனம் தந்து மகரந்த கனி தந்து மறை நூல்கள் பல தந்தவன் தேயாத கதிருக்கும் தேகின்ற நிலவு விண்மீனுக்கும் ஒளி தந்தவன் நித்யானந்தவயமானவன் நித்யானந்தவயமானவன் வானத்தின் மீதேறி நிலவென்னும் ஸ்ரீதேவி பூமிக்கு வந்து விட்டாள் சுடராக திரு நின்ற திருவண்ணாமலையூரில் நித்யானந்த கோலம் கொண்டாள் நித்யானந்தவயமானவன் நித்யானந்தவயமானவன் கசியாத கும்பத்தில் கலங்காத தீர்த்தமாய் கமழ்கின்ற கங்கையானாள் மசியாத ஞானமுடன் பசியாத ஞானமுடன் ரிஷி மூல விசையுமானாள் நித்யானந்தவயமானவன் நித்யானந்தவயமானவன் அசைகின்ற விரல் மேவ கலைவாணி மடி மீதில் இசைகின்ற வீணையானாள் அசையாத மனதில் அம்பாளின் இசையாக ஆனந்தம் தருவானாள் நித்யானந்தவயமானவன் நித்யானந்தவயமானவன் வானத்தின் மீதேறி நிலவென்னும் ஸ்ரீதேவி பூமிக்கு வந்து விட்டாள் சுடராக திரு நின்ற திருவண்ணாமலையூரில் நித்யானந்த கோலம் கொண்டாள் நித்யானந்தவயமானவன் நித்யானந்தவயமானவன் நித்யானந்தமயமானவன் நித்யானந்தமயமானவன் நித்யானந்தமயமானவன்.
Shave, 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 shave. With this, I bless you all. With this, I bless you all. Let's all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching, causing, living Shuddhatvaita Saivam, the state, space, powers, being, superconsciousness, and Kailasa of Paramashiva. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. The eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you. Be blissful.